back to my channel. My name is Alea and you're watching Life with Alea's Eyes. So firstly, I just want to say Happy New Year. I know it's April, but I'm going to say Happy New Year in all my videos because I don't know which one I'm going to put up first or which one I'm going to even put up at all. But anyways, hey guys, so I hope this video doesn't go in the lost files because I've had a bunch of videos that I haven't posted because I didn't like them. But anyways, today I'm going to the beach for my mother's birthday celebration thing, and I think I'm just going to do a little vlog. I think I'm just going to do a little vlog and take you guys along with me. Okay guys, so the trip took us to Portland. We drove to the junction. For those of you guys that live in Jamaica, it's the St. Mary junction, like the way to St. Mary. So first parish that was stopped through was Kingston, because we live in St. Catherine, so the first parish was Kingston. It was St. Catherine, then Kingston, then St. Mary. So this is St. Mary right now, and then Portland. Oh my goodness guys, when they say that Portland is beautiful, I never knew how beautiful Portland was. Like, I always go to Portland, but I never knew how beautiful Portland was until I was on this trip. Like, I don't know what happened. Like, I don't know if it's I don't know, but like, you really got to see Portland in this trip. Like, I mean, you know, it's strange when somebody says, the ocean is so blue, the water is so blue, but the water was so blue. Anyways, we went to 4 beaches, right? 4 beaches, 2 days. So the first beach was Winnifred. This is Winnifred. This is my family. My family, them look like them shy. Them not shy, but them go like them shy. So yeah, this is us. The first stop is here, Winnifred. And I am horrible at videoing. Haven't really gotten into it as yet. So, but yeah, this is it. I'm showing around. This is Chloe. Turn around, show what you can see, and that's basically it. Yeah, my cousin's walking. We're trying to find a spot on the beach. So this is Winnifred. Very crowded, but also very beautiful, and you could get something to eat anywhere on the beach, right? So, and the water wasn't cold, it wasn't too hot, it was just right temp. I didn't even know you could. By the way, there was a raft a while ago. I didn't know you could raft on the sea, but apparently you can. I know that sounds strange too, but yeah, I never knew you could raft on the sea. I thought it was a river thing only, but this is Winnifred Beach. But I was come right as a true man. Nobody not down here. All I saw like ice. You're too wicked. Jesus. Okay guys, so after we find our space on the beach, set out our stuff and everything, we decided to go on a boat ride. My goodness, it was about 7 of us, from my family alone in the boat and 2 other persons, and the captain and the lifeguard, right? So how much person that? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of us in the boat. If I'm wrong, don't crucify me. And they seemingly forgot to tell everybody that there was a huge bomb that we were gonna go over the boat ride, guys. The boat ride was beautiful, like just soaking up the sun in the middle of the Caribbean Sea. We were looking at, there are places in Portland that used to be like full swing and they're closed now, but they're opening it back, and so we're seeing all these guest houses and stuff like that.
Oh, the orange stuff. The orange stuff? That's the castle? Try the castle? Oh, Dragon Bay. So why don't they rent it or something? So that's close? So who owns it? Lord, it's a scratch me. Tour guide. No, you meant to bring down a friend take you the tour guide. When I come back to the future, I'm going to tell you. If we get buy my phone, here to sit up, you know, because we don't want to job. I see that's enough. But never from Winnifred.
So we're going there? We're going? We're going? Yeah? We can't hear you.
I see them all the time now. I've never seen them this close and actually look pretty.
Why can't we shut up on the ground? Yeah, it looks like a egg. Whoa! Jeez, I'm picking damn. I must have them right there, sir. This is nice. Damn. When people say Portland is pretty, it's their mean.
You know, I never actually believe people in Portland.
You can just jump up in here, sir.
So why you don't need to have any like?
No, them I mean it, girl. No, no.
It's deep, trust me.
No, it don't look so. Right, it's in a deep. Catch up a tree and so catch the daylight.
No, it's not funny.
But that board is not fun.
Wow.
No, man.
I got the fiber glass?
Yeah, just scratch me.
Oh, it's just scratches. See, it's not my fault.
So where is this? Because of the where's the nice
Jello is spread out. I'm jealous. Pretty. Good, was it pretty?
Bruh.
Oh, wow. Bro, I'm feeling
Wow, even over here it's just this is a vibe. When
I go book it for my birthday, it's a holiday. Please.
save the money, I will.
Need a friend.
Yeah.
I would say come, we can come in the office. I have a few more months for my birthday. I have a few more months. What's my birthday? Happy birthday. Yeah, I have a few. I'm sure about billions of dollars.
But this is just nice.
Just little and cute.
Yeah, this is nice. Private pool overlooking the ocean.
Here.
Wow.
It's an empty store. And then all sorts of things.
Yeah, Villa Hotel kind of thing. Are you a tenant?
No, I'm thinking of the other one.
Down there, so yeah. This is nice though. Didn't even know that this existed.
Tiva didn't know it too. Yeah, I know. That's it. What's her name? Check. Now the price.
Down here? No man, I'm up on a something. Monkey Island. Okay guys, so the next beach was Monkey Island. Oh my goodness, Monkey Island. Monkey Island. What can I say about Monkey Island? I don't know why I'm calling it Monkey Island, but it was a really nice beach. A really good time. We spent like 10 minutes there because it was a part of the boat tour thing. So only about 10 minutes there, but it was really nice. We got to do this clay massage thing there. The water was clear, the people were cool. It was really nice and really a good experience at Monkey Island. Okay guys, so the third beach is the Blue Lagoon. From me look at my airboard the Blue Lagoon. From me little and all my 22 years, this is my first time ever going to the Blue Lagoon. I don't know what I was expecting, but I don't know. It was beautiful, it was breathtaking, it was a lot to look for, a lot to see, a lot to take in, but I don't know. It wasn't what I expected from it, like based on what I've been hearing about the Blue Lagoon. I don't know, it was just different. It's probably because I did not know that the Blue Lagoon was salt water. I thought it was like a river or something, like fresh water, but Yeah, the Blue Lagoon. All I can say is overall the Blue Lagoon was blue. Oh, and oh, yeah, I forgot. There's a spring there at the Blue Lagoon, and that's where a healing spring. They said that's where it washed off the clay. Hey guys, so the Portland trip took us to stay the night, and we're staying in a guest house. This is my room. It's slept on, but it's really comfy. The bathroom is there, really messed up, so I can't show you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna just walk around and show you what we have. So this is the front. This is where it starts. I don't know if the door is open. Yeah, the doors are open. This is my cousin's room. This is my other cousin's room. I think he's sleeping. This is someone else's room. This is someone else's room. And this, I get this one's open. This is my other cousin's room, and they are sleeping. Well, she's not sleeping. Like oh my, oh shoot. Yeah, guys. And I don't know what these are for. This is the kitchen. And oh my gosh, let me take my time.
Ali, what are you doing?
This is Debs, Jayana, Kamisha, Javante,
not a photograph.
Chloe, and the view, guys.
Case of beach. Somebody come up here. Oh, sorry. Oh, you can
And and the view. The barracks. Okay guys, so this is a 360 of the outer bands of the guest house. This guest house has a history. The tour guide told us that this is where the slaves used to come when they came off the ships and get their vitamin C, and then they would stay over here. But yeah, now it's a guest house, and so this is one section of it. We're not occupying this section, but I'll just go up and show you what's going on. So it's a good little walk. Very beautiful though. Can't go through the front because the front is locked. But this is a closer look at the barracks. Do you see? Thank you. This is a really good piece of history, and I'm really grateful that we got to come and stay here because not often do you get to live, not often do you get to see where your ancestors, well, see somewhere that's still prevalent, that your ancestors walked through, that your ancestors, land that your ancestors slept on, that's still that same land. So that's my room there, cousin's room, someone else's room, I think my other cousin's room, and another cousin. We hung our stuff up like that because we're going to the beach again. This is, it rained today. Definitely put me to sleep.
Yes, and it also wet me and...
Yeah, it's really wet, but... Oh yeah, come here.
I have to taste another piece. Come back to me.
Here.
This.
Yeah,
the lady said to drop it. Go pick up the rest of these.
Mr. My phone always. Watch it. What would them call a group of cow? Cats? Cats. I want school that down this way?
You're the same school?
Up.
That's how I'm from.
Probably. For students there still. Ronnie!
Yeah, today's vlog line.
You wanna know somebody that look for Monkey Island to see if we could have got it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Somebody that look for beach.
Oh, and closer.
Mm-hmm.
I want to say it's small though.
Nah, I mean.
But it's the one guy
What
on
is?
YouTube is good, like in the spearfishing.
Uh-huh.
I think a Portland even come from, so I'm always a good place here. Always like a Monkey Island.
Dakota well fed. Lord, up on the bottom. What do we do?
You ever time mind them come on?
Our next guest house this? I don't know, feel like the one. Okay, so guys, so this is the fourth and final day, Shamshai. I'm not really don't know walk over the camera because it was horizontal and everything, not vertical. But yeah, I don't know why the video started showing like this. But yeah, this is Shamshai, my family's favorite beach. And yeah, as I said, this is my family's favorite beach. Every time we come to Portland, this is where they want to stop. It's a wonder we get to explore the rest of Portland because I'm telling you, this is usually our stop. But yeah, this is Shamshai, not an advertisement, and I don't own the place, but yeah, this is it. This is usually where we go. So this is just now my family enjoying themselves. I don't know what them think them must swim or what them do, but yeah, that's just them swimming, living their best life. So
I'm so big too. Go
No, you.
I don't have no driver's license.
Oh. So you're a driver today?
I got in the town.
No, Ale, you do have your driver's license.
Where them spend a DR? Pesos?
Okay guys, so this was my time in cool Portland as my mother calls it. Thanks for watching. Come again next time. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye.